Hi everyone, this is r.a.w here, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your fountain pen. And I'm using a different camera this time, so hopefully the audio in the video is okay. Anyways, what you're going to need is you're going to need water. Preferably distilled water, but you can use tap water. It's just not really as much contaminants in distilled water than there is tap water. So I have 2 cups here already filled with water for time's sakes, and I have a pen that is not empty by no means, but I need to do this video because I've been putting it off for too long now. So what you're going to do is you're going to unscrew the barrel of your pen. Normally your ink cartridge would be empty and you just throw that away, so just take that off. And next thing you're going to need is a bulb syringe. This is a bulb syringe, and what you want to do is you want to suck it up with water. Try to get as much water in it as possible. Then you take your fountain pen and you want to put this inside, and basically you're going to squeeze out the water through the nib. If you want to go to a different video, r.a.w Pens has a good video on cleaning fountain pens, so this is just for my audience, really, for my family and stuff, that I'm trying to teach how to use fountain pens. And you see already that the nib's starting to clear up, the feed on it. So I'm just going to keep on going. And you can already see how black that water is. I might actually have to take the feed out on this one. But that's pretty much the gist of it. You just want to get it to where it's completely running clear water through the pen. Next you want to just take a paper towel and a dish and just put it in there and let it dry. I would not, if you're new to fountain pens, I would not recommend pulling out the nib and the feed unless you know what you're doing. So, because I broke a Lamy Safari once trying to pull out the nib. I broke the feed on it, and so I need to get a new feed for this pen. This is actually my first fountain pen, and I've been meaning to fix it. Say like, where is it? A Jinhao pen, the nib and the feed just come right out of the pen. You just you want to grab it right between there, and just, well, right there's the nib, and then the feed comes out as well. And it's good to clean those two. For a piston, a fountain pen that uses a piston converter, this is actually a clean pen, but I'm just going to use this. Of course, you want to stick it in to right about there. You put your pen in, you twist your converter, and you suck up the water. And you can see there's water inside it. And you expel the water. You can do it like that instead of using a bulb syringe, but it degrades the converter over time. So yeah, that's pretty much the gist of how to clean your fountain pen. And there is stuff that's called pen flush, and you can make it yourself. But r.a.w Pen Company, they sell pen flush, their own brand of pen flush that's safe to use in any fountain pens. But I just make my own. Let's see here. I can't remember the YouTuber, but he's got a video on how to make pen flush. It's just basically I guess I'll make a video on how to make pen flush. But basically, after you flush your pen, you take a little bit of that pen flush. And this is actually a little bit dirty, but not too much. I had Monteverde, no, it was $1 million red ink. And what this does, after you clean your fountain pen with water to where the point is clear, you take your pen, you put it in, of course, and you kind of do the same thing as cleaning your own pen with water, but this will get rid of any residue that's in the feed or the nib. It really cleans your pen. But you do this after you wash your pen out with water. Then when you use this, after you're done, you want to clean it out again with water. Basically, this is water, Dawn dish soap, just a couple drops, and just a tiny bit of ammonia. But there is a way to how to make it, and I'll show you how to make it in another video. I'm just gonna make it. Really didn't want to do this video today, but it needed to be done. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I gotta clean up this mess now. So, I'll see you guys later, and have a good day.